Look who made it! Surprise!
What are you doing? God, she's so tiny. Belly.
She's sad now.
I know you don't get shit. Okay. I know. Oh my God.
Look who made it! Surprise! Look, I just get money throughout me as soon as I get here. I just woke up from a nap. I thought you were gonna get here at midnight. I was trying to nap till you got here.
And my boss let me off early.
And now we're gonna go sneak out and get something to eat. I brought a bunch of goodies for sister. The big sister's here too, huh?
Yeah, those last lifetime.
What's the skies look like over there?
Mom, my clothes are in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
I'm starting to clear up a little bit. I'm in my belt. Go nowhere.
Mom, where's it at?
What?
My back clothes. Because my baby suit was in there.
Oh.
Getting it on.
Well, guys, we are at a hotel. My mom got us a couple rooms, take the grandkids. Haven't been able to talk much on the vlog. We came here first to drop off stuff and then get our room. And they went back to get the kids, went to my grandma's gravesite, seen my uncle. Now the kids are here swimming besides Travis and Trusty. Trusty's eating. And we're about to go down to the pool. Right, Sissy, you wanna go see your cousins and siblings at the pool now? My brother and my mom took them down now. But I don't have a chance to pick up the camera and say hello. Hi. Look how cute. Look how cute the baby is. Look how cute. Say grandma got her this, huh? Oh yeah. Say grandma was here. Burpee butt. Burpee. How about now? Can we see it now? Oh yeah. Grandma was here. Grandma was here. Mmm. Mmm. Alright. Let's go. Okay, we're going to the pool, huh, Sissy? See, we're going to the pool. It has been a job to get here, huh? It's almost already time for bed. It took forever to get here. So kids are in the pool, and we're taking Miss Tressie down there. This place doesn't have an elevator. So, we'll take them the stairs. Travis is leaving to check on his animals. Someone say free coffee? Oh yeah. Okay. Love you, bud. Bubby. Get your sister back over here. Go Jaden. Go Jaden. Oh, oh.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You know there's emotion between us. You want me to take you in my trust.
I'm walking down. Sing it.
All right, my mom.
Yeah.
My mom, Tressie, Matthew, and I are sneaking off to
Food.
White Castle.
Yum.
I just can't wait to take a nap. I am more out. Mom kept me up till 3 o'clock in the morning.
4:30.
Then got up earlier than normal. Got us some White Castle.
White Castle?
She is finally out of it.
Oh, to play with me.
I'll play with you.
I'll play high seat though. Hi, Mom.
Whew. Okay, Matthew, surprisingly, I'm very happy. He wanted to come up to the room. Thank goodness, because I am exhausted. And I'm not doing much vlogging because
You didn't find me, Mom.
I'm just wore out. And I'm telling you, to get here was draining. Like, I need 2 days. I need a day to get here,
Mom.
a day to relax, a day to play, a day to check out. Like,
Mom.
what?
I want to play high seat.
He's playing hide and go seek.
You
Tressie's out of it, so I figured I'd take this opportunity because he wanted to come up here and lay down.
You down, Mom.
Us 3 lay down while they're still at the pool with my mom and
You
brother.
down. You
That is
down.
8. We're full. I'll count. I have so much going on right now that I'm not taking the time to just sit down and vlog and explain everything because I have so much work, everything. And I'm exhausted. Are you exhausted? I'm tired.
Mommy.
I'm really, really tired.
Say
Sorry, I'm gonna nap probably and then I'll get back with you.
Mommy, say
Change of plans, no nap. Kaylee's here. No, but we went downstairs. You only live once. YOLO. No sleep. Rock on. Matthew ain't happy. Come, Mama. Come on, this way. This way. That's a creepy room right there. Hold the door for Mommy. There's no elevator here if I didn't tell you guys. Yeah, that's what this. Watch. I'll show you what I'll do. Just like a normal car seat.
You know that ain't the way. Ain't the way. Oh no, 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 no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to get it. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up. it up, give it up.
We're about to go bye-bye, Cece. We're gonna go bye-bye. Well, we're packing up, heading out, going home. I feel like poopy. Either all this junk food or whatever, but I feel sicky. Oh, Cece. See Dada?
Baby.